Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hello everyone. Our question is, draw the core carbon centered cluster of Ru6 carbon carbonyl, that is carbon carbonyl 17, and calculate the molecular orbital and display the following statements which are given to you. Number 1, here the orbitals are naturally much more complex with 167 orbitals. Here total number of orbitals are 167 and 270 number of electrons. 270 number of electrons, and the Tu, that is the T1U, and the T2G orbitals are shown in the Huckel calculation. Now the first statement display, that is the A1G orbital should be similar to that B6H6 2-. Now with one large lobe in the center and smaller d orbital lobes on each of the ruthenium atom, and here it is the homo antibonding in symmetry. And the only orbital near this energy that involves carbon orbital, and here only carbon orbital will involve near in the energy of that atom. That is, the given structure for this is this. For second statement, the T1G orbital should be also similar to T1U orbital of B6H6 2-. These should be two large lobes, here two large lobes, each derived primarily from d orbitals on 4 ruthenium atoms, which are derived from 4 Ru atoms, and a p orbitals of centered carbon, plus lobes on opposite ruthenium atoms. There may be also fragment lobes of d orbitals on the ruthenium atoms. Here are the given structure. According to this, the given orbitals are this. And here is the last statement, is that the T2G orbitals are not directly involved in the bonding with the carbon. That means, but they do strengthen the cluster framework. The atomic orbitals should interact in sets of 4, similar to T2G orbitals. In B6H6 2-. But some of the distinctive features of d orbital should also be observable in the ruthenium cluster. For example, the given orbital interactions are this for this statement. Thank you.